Welcome back to our LaTeX tutorial series. In this lesson, we will be exploring text formatting. Understanding how to format text is essential for creating visually appealing documents. At the end of this video, you will be able to use different font styles in your document, text aligned to your text, use different list environments, and also include special characters and symbols in your LaTeX document. So let's dive in. You can use commands like text boldface and in curly brackets enter your text. In this case, I'm just going to say bold. Or simply go up here and click on B and in curly braces enter your text. So I'm just going to say from shortcut. Now we have for bold, from shortcut, or in bold. For italic, we simply enter command bar text IT and then our text. So we say for italic. And for underline, we enter command bar underline and in curly braces, we enter our text. So now you see we have for italic and for underline. By default, LaTeX typesets text as fully justified. But if you want to have your text as centered, you can do that by entering your text within the center environment. So we say begin, center, and enter our text. In this case, we're just going to enter the same text as above. To left align, enter your text within flush left environment. So we say begin, flush left, your text. And for right aligned text, enter your text within flush right environment. So we say begin, flush right, your text. Now you see we have our center text, our left aligned text, and our right aligned text. Now let's talk about the list environment. For bullets, we use the itemize environment. We say begin itemize and enter itemize. Within each environment, we use command bar item to add list of items. So I will say 1, and if I want to enter another item, I just say command bar item, and then I say 2. So you see we have our bullets 1, 2. If we want to list our items with numbering, we simply use the begin enumerate environment. Begin, enumerate, and list our items. So 1, 2. Now you see we have 1, 2. To include special characters and symbols in our LaTeX document, we have to put them within $signs, which is how LaTeX identifies mathematical environments. For example, let's include a few Greek letters. So we just say $sign alpha, $sign beta, $sign theta. Let's also include a fraction of A and B. So we say $sign frac A. So now you see we have our Greek letters and the fraction alpha, beta, theta, and a fraction of A and B. More on writing mathematical equations will be on my YouTube channel. This brings us to the end of our lesson on text formatting in LaTeX. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more LaTeX tutorials. See you in my next lesson where we will talk about including figures and tables in LaTeX. Thanks for watching.